Hello traders, hope you're doing well. I'm recording this video because we have a very interesting update from Delta Exchange. Now you guys know I've been trading in cryptocurrency from quite some time. From the last 1 year, regularly we've been trading. One important question that you guys regularly ask me is, can we trade gold in Delta Exchange? Delta Exchange has listened. Finally, they are giving us what we want. Just yesterday, Delta Exchange has introduced two new tokens. One is gold token, another one is US stock token. With the help of PAXGUSD token, will be able to trade in gold, and at the same time with US stock token we'll be able to trade with US market stocks. Now just if you go here, new section, you can see PAXGUSD. Apart from that, Google, Nvidia, Apple, Meta, Amazon, all of these tokens are now available for us to trade. Now most important, what people were asking, to trade in gold, right? So if you go here, click on trade now, this is how the chart would look. Now just compare the same chart, right? The same chart, you just compare it with TradingView. As of now, PAXGUSD is trading around 5035. Now if you just go to TradingView, here you can see the chart is the same. Gold spot chart versus US dollar, it is trading around 5027. So there is very much similarities here. Now since we are using our same Delta Exchange account to trade in the gold token, we don't have to have any international account or anything as such. With the same account we can execute the order. Now if you see, when you trade with Delta Exchange, you get a leverage of 50x and one lot size is equal to 0.001 PAXUSD. Now this is the first time even I'm taking trade, but going forward in my live stream, since I'm able to trade legally in gold now, I'll be doing that using this gold token. Now let's say as of now gold is in kind of downtrend, and if I draw Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, market is facing resistance somewhere near 0.618 level of Fibonacci. Just imagine this is a setup which I would be willing to trade right now. My expectation in this case is gold will move towards the downside. So what I will do, I'll simply place a sell order. How much quantity shall I trade? At this point of time, I will just trade with 0.01 quantity. So I will place this order. I'll go here and click on sell. Okay. Now order is placed. So here, let's say I choose this area as my SL, and my expectation is gold will move at least up to this zone. I'm just recording this just to give you an example so that you get an idea as to how much quantity basically you can trade. Now I personally prefer, this is very low. Instead of 100, I will add 900 more. Okay, I will sell. When I sell it, the position will become 1000 quantity. Now this trade I took just to show it to you how to place an order, stop loss and target. And if market moves to my stop loss, automatically SL will be triggered and I'll be exiting from the trade. If the market goes to the target zone, here also my order will get executed. I'll be exiting from the trade and booking the profit. Now if you've been regularly trading in Delta Exchange, you know the interface is good. Everything should be very familiar to you. When we trade cryptocurrency, this is how we trade, right? I just wanted to record this quick video and share this interesting update with you guys. Hopefully going forward from Monday, whenever we are getting set up in gold in Delta Exchange, we'll be using this token and we'll be trading in gold as well. I hope this video was useful. Now if you're interested to trade with gold token legally without any foreign account whatsoever, and all your transaction to be only in INR, then you can start using Delta Exchange. The link for Delta Exchange is there in the description box below. You can check it out to open account. If you open account using our referral link, you will be getting access to our private Telegram group where you will get access to my free crypto stop loss hunting strategy. That same strategy you can use even in the gold market. Now traders, once you open the account using the link in the description, please send a WhatsApp message to this number and please share your Delta Exchange user ID. Our team will check. We'll give you lifetime access to our private Telegram group for absolutely free of cost, where you get setups as well as strategies, everything for free. All right, thank you so much for your time. I'll see you in the next one.